Ever wondered how a young boy from Kolkata grew up to revolutionize our understanding of the universe? Dive into the inspiring journey of Ashoke Sen, the theoretical physicist whose groundbreaking work in string theory has left an indelible mark on science. Born in 1956 in Kolkata, India, Ashoke Sen's journey into the world of theoretical physics began at the young age of 6, when his father, Anil Kumar Sen, introduced him to the wonders of science. This early exposure ignited a flame that would eventually lead him to become one of the most distinguished figures in the world of theoretical physics. Educated at the prestigious Sailendra Sircar Vidyalaya and later at Presidency University in Kolkata, Ashoke Sen's academic prowess became evident early on. His passion for physics drove him to pursue further studies in the United States, where he completed his PhD at Stony Brook University. It was here that Sen delved into the complexities of string theory, a field that would come to define his illustrious career. Sen's work in string theory has been nothing short of groundbreaking. He is best known for his pioneering contributions to string field theory and his work on S-duality, a theoretical symmetry that connects different string theory formulations. One of his most famous conjectures, the Sen Conjecture, deals with the phenomenon of open string tachyon condensation, which has significant implications in understanding the fundamental structure of the universe. The journey wasn't always smooth. Early in his career, Sen returned to India, where he faced numerous challenges, including limited resources and funding. However, his resilience and unwavering determination saw him through. He joined the Harish Chandra Research Institute in Allahabad, where he continued his revolutionary work. Despite these challenges, Sen's work began to gain international recognition. His description of rolling tachyons has become influential in string cosmology, adding a new dimension to our understanding of the early universe. His contributions were not just theoretical, but also deeply mathematical, helping bridge the gap between abstract concepts and tangible mathematical frameworks. Over the years, Ashoke Sen has received numerous accolades for his contributions. In 2012, he was awarded the prestigious Fundamental Physics Prize, worth $3 million, the largest monetary prize in the field of physics. This recognition affirmed his status as a leading physicist and brought his work into the global spotlight. He has also been honored with the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, two of India's highest civilian awards, acknowledging his significant contributions to science and education. Sen's personal life is as inspiring as his professional achievements. He is married to Sumati Rao, a fellow physicist, and together they have navigated the challenges and triumphs of their careers. Their partnership is a testament to their shared passion for science and mutual support, which has undoubtedly been a cornerstone of Sen's success. As of today, Ashoke Sen continues to be an influential figure in the field of theoretical physics. He is a distinguished professor at the International Centre for Theoretical Sciences in Bangalore, where he mentors the next generation of physicists, fostering a spirit of curiosity and innovation. Ashoke Sen's story is one of passion, resilience, and brilliance. From his humble beginnings in Kolkata to becoming a globally recognized physicist, his journey serves as an inspiration to aspiring scientists everywhere. His work continues to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe, making him a true pioneer in the field of theoretical physics. If Ashoke Sen's incredible journey has inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories of scientific trailblazers.